Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurs, and today we are doing this golden red look that I have on my face. I don't think I've done a golden look in a while, but I have been doing a lot of red looks lately, so I figured I'll mix it up because red's just been my thing lately. I mean, all the palettes I've been picking up has like these deep reds in them, and I'm like, guess it's red time. So today I'll be showing you how to get this golden red look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope to follow the steps will be easy to follow. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prime my eyelid using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. This will help prevent the color from moving anywhere I don't want it and help brighten the shades as well. For majority of this look, I'm using ColourPop's X's and O's palette. To help set my concealer, I'm using the shade Issues, and I'm going to go over everywhere I place the concealer. Taking the shade Fortunate, I'm going to blend this at the end of my eye and into the crease using a fluffy blending brush. Now taking Stay Golden, I'm going to pack this onto my eyelid from front to the end and along the curve of the lid. With the same color and a thin blending brush, I'm going to apply and blend the shade into the end of my eye and into the crease, smoothing out the harsh lines that were made when the packing of the color. Now taking the shade 20 something, I'm going to pat this onto my eyelid using my finger. And I'm just going to pat it very lightly. I feel like using my finger helps the pigmentation a little, but you can use a brush if you prefer. Taking the shade Reckless and a thin blending brush, I'm going to pat this on the end of my eye before blending it inwards towards the gold and up into the crease. I do this slowly because the color is so dark, and working with dark shades can be a little bit hard. Going back to the shade Fortunate and a small pointed brush, I'm going to blend this shade out on my lower lid from the end to the front of my eye, leaving some empty space by the tear duct. Taking the shade Know Better, I'm going to blend this out under my tear duct. Going back to Reckless, I'm going to take the same thin pointed brush and carefully blend the shade at the end of my eye, of my lower lid. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in black. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes in Page Boy. Sorry, I forgot to show the product, and I also forgot to show majority of me putting it on, although I really don't show you much of me putting on my lashes. For lipstick, I'm using Al Maquillage's Carly Bible lipstick in the shade Serious. And that's how you get this look. I hope everything was easy to follow. I hope it was simple. It made this by ColourPop. It's a pretty affordable and very beautiful, very pigmented colors. Like, I was surprised when I first tested it at Ulta. It got all over the place. I got it on my hands, I got it on my face, I got it on my jacket because of how pigmented it was. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more makeup videos or mental health videos, just keep watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.